Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix Steam API64.DLL not found problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Open Chrome browser or any browser. Copy the link from description and paste it. Open the link. Check whether architecture is 64. Download the file. Open the file. Extract steam.api64.DLL file to your desktop. Copy the file. Open local disk C. Click on Windows. Click on System 32. Paste the file. Click Continue. Open SYSWOW64. Paste the file. Click Continue. Restart your computer. That's it. Your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.